Hello, primary 3 students. This is Master George, your math teacher. Are you ready? Okay, students, open your book, page 30. This is our exercise for today. Okay, students, part B, find the difference between these numbers. If you say difference, this is subtraction. Okay, number 1, subtraction. This is finished. This is example number 1. And we do it number 2. Okay, you rewrite the numbers first. 1672 minus 198. Okay, subtract 1672 minus 198. Okay, first you subtract the first number here, 2 minus 8, the ones place here. Okay, the ones place, 2 minus 8 cannot be, you borrow here from tens. Okay, from tens here, 2 becomes 12, and then minus 8, this is 4. Correct, students? Now 7, this one you change to 6. 6 minus 9, no, that's why you borrow here from hundreds, become 16. Become 16. 16 minus 9 is equals to 7. Now 6, this one you change this to 5. Okay, now 5 minus 1 equals 4. Correct, students? And this the last number in thousand place here, no number here, you bring down 1, and your answer is 1472. Number 3. Number 3 is the number is 3726 and 108. Okay, you rewrite the numbers, and then here we solve the first number here. The ones place is 6 minus 8 cannot be, you borrow from tens, 6 becomes 16, and 2 here on the other side becomes 1. Okay, we start here. 16 minus 8 is 8, then 2 here becomes 1, right, students? Then 1 minus 0 is 1, and then 7 minus 1 is 6, then 3, no number here, don't have number, then you bring down 3. The answer is 3618. Okay, this is number 3. Now let's move to number 4. Number 4 is 4230 and 170. You rewrite the numbers 4230 minus 170. Okay, first we subtract the ones placed here. 0 minus 0 is 0. Correct, students? Next is the tens place. 3 minus 7 cannot be, no, you borrow here from 2. 3 here becomes 13. Now we can subtract 13 minus 7 is 6. 2 here becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 here, you don't no number to subtract here, you bring down 4. The answer is 4010. 60. Next is number 5. Number 5 is 8,040 and 2,125. Okay, we solve for number 5. We start here from 0. 0 minus 5 cannot be. You borrow here from tens place from number 4. 0 here becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 here becomes 3. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Next is 0 minus 1 cannot be. No, you borrow here from 8 becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. 8 here becomes 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. Your answer is 5,915. Okay, next is number 6. Number 6 is 7,689 and 4,894. Okay, subtract. Okay, you rewrite the numbers 7,689 minus 4,894. Okay, first we subtract the ones place. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Next is 8 minus 9. No, cannot be. You borrow from 6 and then 8 becomes 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 6 here becomes 5. 5 minus 8 cannot be. You borrow from 7, that's why it becomes 15. Okay? 15 minus 8 is 7. 7 here, you change this to 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. This is your answer, 2,795. This is our next exercise. Exercise 2.4, page 31. Complete the chart below. The first number must always be larger than the second number in value. The first one has been done for you. We have here example. The first is first number, second number, then the sum. If you say sum, we use this addition. Okay? You add the first number and second number. And for the difference, this is subtraction. You subtract the first number here and then minus the second number. This is your difference, 1,489. Now let's go to number 1. Okay, number 1. How to solve the number 1? Number 1, the given is 1,862 for the second number. Then we have the sum of 8,575. Okay, you subtract the number to get the first number. 8,575 minus 1,868 to get the first number. Okay, 15, 5 minus 8 cannot be, so you borrow becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then 7 here becomes 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Then 5 minus 8 cannot be. You borrow from 8 becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Now 8 becomes 7. Then 7 minus 1 is 6. Next, now you have the answer 6,707. You write this number in the first number. Then we solve for the difference. To solve the difference, this is subtraction from 6,707 minus 1,868 for the second number. First is 7 minus 8 cannot be. You borrow from 7. Okay, from 7. And then 0. Then from and go to 7 becomes 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. Then 0 here, you borrow here from 7. This is becomes 9. Okay, 9 minus 6 is 3. 7 here is 6. 6 minus 8 cannot be. You change this one to 16. Now 16 minus 8 is 8. 6 becomes 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Your answer is 4,839 for the difference. Then you write here in the box 4,839 for number 1. Next is number 2. You have the second number and then you have the difference. To get the first number, you add the second number and the difference. 1,208 plus 1,658. Okay? 8 plus 8 is 16. You write here 6 and then carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2. Your answer is 2,866. Then you write here in the first number 2,866. Then to solve the sum, you add the first number and the second number. 2,866 plus 1,208. Okay, first 6 plus 8 is 14 and then carry 1. 6 plus 0 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 2 is 10. You write 0 here and then carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 4. Your answer is 4,074. Okay, then you write here 4,074 in the box. Okay, number 3. Number 3, the first number is 5,385. The second number is 2,089. And then you get the sum. You add 5,385 plus 2,089. First, you add 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry 1. 8 plus 8 is 16. Plus 1 is 17. Then carry 1. 3 plus 0 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. Your answer is 7,474. Then you write here for the sum 7,474. Next is the difference. The difference is 5,385 minus 2,089. Okay, you subtract 5 minus 9 cannot be. No, you borrow from 8. 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 9 is 6. 8 here becomes 7, but 7 minus 8 cannot be. You borrow from 3, becomes 17, and then minus 8 is 9. 3 here change to 2. 2 minus 0 is 2. Next is 5 minus 2 is 3. Your answer is 3,296. And then you write here for the difference 3,296. Next is number 4. You have here the second number 4,508 and the sum 9,570. To get the first number, you subtract 9,570 minus 4,508. Okay, for the first number. 0 minus 8 cannot be. You borrow here, becomes 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 here becomes 6. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. 9 minus 4 is 5. Your answer is 5,062 for the first number. You write here 5,062. And for the difference, you subtract 5,062 minus 4,508 for the second number. You have the difference. First, 2 minus 8 cannot be, or you borrow here from 6 becomes 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 6 here becomes 5. 5 minus 0 is 5. Next is 0 minus 5. No, cannot be. You borrow from 5. Becomes 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 here becomes 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay, your answer is 554. This is your answer, and then you write here for the difference 554. Number 5. Number 5, you have the first number is 5,003, and then you have the sum of 6,759. Then how to get the second number? To get the second number, you subtract 6,759 minus 5,003. Okay? 9 minus 3 is 6. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 0 is 7. 6 minus 5 is 1. This is your second number, 1,756. Then you write here for the second number. And then to get the difference, you subtract the first number and the second number. 5,003, the first number, minus 1,756 for the second number, then you get the difference. 3 minus 6 cannot be. You borrow from 5, then the 0 becomes 10, then borrow from 0 here becomes 10, this is 9, 0 here becomes 9, and then 3 here becomes 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. 0 here becomes 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 0 here becomes 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 5 here becomes 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Your answer is 3,247 for the difference. Then you write here in the box 3,247. Next is number 6. You have the first number 4,365 and the second number 2,740. Then you add for the sum 4,365 plus 2,740. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 here, carry 1. 3 plus 7 is 10. Plus 1 is 11. You write 1 here, then carry 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. Now you have the sum 7,105. You write here 7,105 in the box. And then for the difference, you subtract the first and second number. 4,365 minus 2,740. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 3 minus 7, no, cannot be. You borrow becomes 13. 13 minus 7 is 6. 4 becomes 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. Your answer is 1,625 for the difference. Then you write here 1,625 for the difference. Next is number 7. Number 7, you have the first number 3,256. You don't have the second number. You have the sum here 6,385 and you don't have the difference. To get the second number, you subtract 6,385 minus 3,256. 5 minus 6, no, cannot be. You borrow becomes 15. Now 15 minus 6 is 9. 8 here becomes 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. Your answer for the second number is 3,126. You write the number here, 3,129 for the second number. And then for the difference, you subtract the first number and the second number. 3,256 minus 3,129 for the second number. 6 minus 9 cannot be. You borrow becomes 16. Minus 9 is 7. 5 here becomes 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Then 3 minus 3 is 0. Your answer is 127 for the difference. Right here, 127 in the box. Next is number 8. Number 8, you have 4,050. For the first number, you don't have the second, the sum, and you have the difference 1,240. To solve the second number, okay, 4,050 minus 1,240. Subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 4 is 1. 0 minus 2, no, cannot be. You borrow becomes 10. Minus 2 is 8. 4 becomes 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Your answer for the second number is 2,810. Then you write here in the box 2,810. And for the sum, you add 4,050 plus 2,810. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Now you have the sum of 6,860. Then you write here 6,860. Number 9. For number 9, you don't have the sum and difference. To solve for the sum, you add 6,106 plus 1,007. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry 1. 0 plus 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Your answer for the sum is 7,113. Then you write here in the box 7,113. And for the difference, you subtract 6,106 minus 1,007. First, you subtract 6 minus 7. Cannot be. You borrow from 1 here. Becomes 0 becomes 10. Then you borrow from 6. 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Then 0 here becomes 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. Then 1 here becomes 0. 0 here minus 0 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. Your answer for the difference is 5,099. Then you write here in the box 5,099. And then for number 10. For number 10, you don't have the first number. You have the second, 1,023. You have the sum, 5,285. To get the first number, you subtract 5,284 minus 1,023. The answer is 4 minus 3 is 1. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. 5 minus 1 is 4. Your answer is 4,261 for the first number. Then you write here in the box 4,261. And then for the difference, you subtract the first number 4,261 minus the second number 1,023. 1 minus 3, no, you borrow, becomes 11. 11 minus 3 is 8. 6 here becomes 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 0 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. This is your answer, 3,238. Then you write here in the box 300. 3,238. Okay, students, please check your answer. Exercise 2.4, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. Next is number 5. Okay, you check your answer number 5, number 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, students. Bye bye. See you next time.